So you're Samiksha.
Yeah, hi doctor.
Yeah. So tell me what brings you today and how can I help you?
Actually, so like I have this hair grown like the upper lips and also the eyebrows. So I have to do that. Laser hair removal basically.
Okay. So Samiksha, you have some unwanted hair.
Yes.
So we have the best solution with us. It's a very painless and very effective technique that is known as the soprano platinum technique. So you have it in this particular case. So you have all the details on this. So the point is that we have a triple wavelength machine and it's wonderful and it gives out the best results and it's the best in the world. So I would like to show you what is actually what we have. See, this is an 810 nanometers and this is 755 nanometers and 1064. Whichever center you will go, you'll only find one technology, but either this or this or this. But in our handpiece, in our center, we have this combination of this wavelengths, which gives the triple wavelength technology, and it is superior than any of these technologies. So why is this superior and why is this beneficial? You see that this 755 will only target the superficial part of the hair follicle, and this 810 will target the middle part of the hair follicle, and this one will target the base of the hair follicle. Kalyan. So with this, the hairs will become thinner and thinner and becomes the softest, and that's easier to manage that way. And these are the results what we have for these patients. This is a patient, young patient who before marriage she had these kind of thick hairs. Now she has the soft hairs. This is only past 3 sessions and you can get excellent results. This is for the transgender what I mentioned. So this particular man had a beard and he got his gender changed. You can see that the hairs got disappeared in this patchy and then this way and then this way. Now completely gone.
Okay. Wow.
So this is the best results what we can actually give for the patients. And it's one of the safest and the best in the world. And this is US FDA approved and you can get the excellent results with this.
Wow, that's great. And I would love to do it.
Great. So we can start. So Samiksha, she is Dr. Sridevi.
Hi.
She does wonderful lasers. Most of my clients are very happy and delighted to get procedures done by her. And she does the lasers very effectively. And this is a laser machine what we have spoken about. So she'll take care of you from now on.
Okay.
Now any issues, any doubts you can ask her and definitely you can do the procedure.
Okay.
Okay?